Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Atirayzati binti Kamil with matrix number 07DEP20F 2004. So I'm from DEP1A and today I will be a presenter for my group, which is group 4 for practical tests. My partner in this group is Abdul Hafiz bin Abdul San and his matrix number is 07DEP20F 2010. So first, in this practical test, we are told to draw the wiring diagram from the topic that we have been select. So we select the topic A, two-way switch circuit connection, which controlling lamp that label as L1. So here is our drawing. We can see how the lamp and the two-way switch connected to the power supply. Here, the red wire, which is live wire, connected to the switch 1 and 2, which I label it as S1 and S2, then connected to the live terminal in the lamp. The neutral black wire connected from the power supply to the neutral terminal of the lamp, and the earth wire, which is the green one, connected to the lamp and the switch for earthing. Hence, I believe this wiring diagram is complete. The next question tells us to listing 5 basic components that a distribution box should have. So I remember that our lecturer told us to do this part first. So I think that this is the at least basic component that the distribution box should have. So first is the main switch. This main switch will connect all the components inside with the power supply, so main switch is important. Then we will need RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, that connected with main switch in the live and neutral terminal like being shown here. Next is miniature circuit breakers or MCB. If we see here, we have the MCB with 32 ampere, 20 ampere, 16 ampere, and 6 ampere. Used for what suitable. For example, for the lighting, we will use 6 ampere. We will also need the bus bar to connect all the MCB and also the electrical cables for sure. We will also need the neutral link that we can see here. The neutral wire is linking RCCB and main switch to the power supply. So I guess it is also the basic component for distribution box. The next task we've been told is to identify the MCB rating and cable size for the lighting installation and socket outlet installation. So here it is. The MCB rating for the lighting installation is 6 ampere and its cable size should be 1.5 millimeter square. Then for the socket outlet installation, its MCB rating is 16 ampere for indoor use and 32 ampere for outdoor use. The cable size should be 2.5 millimeter square. So done with that part. The last question for the practical test is to state the function of intermediate switch. So intermediate switch is to control light, fan, or maybe alarm from different places. It has 4 terminals, so it can changes the flowing of electric current from one circuit to another. If we look at the picture here, the light bulb can be controlled from 3 different places. This is because intermediate switch can connect between two-way switch in two different places. The picture here said any number of intermediate switch can be wired between the two-way switches. We can see the example here. If we put 4 intermediate switch between the two-way switch, it means that we can control the connected light from 6 different places. Another example, intermediate switch can be installed at the level 2, which then connected to the two-way switch that have been installed at the level 1 and 3. This will let the person at the level 1 and 2 can control the light that installed at the level 3. So that's all for our practical test presentation. I hope that the information in this slide is right, and we're hoping for the best for everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.